Mame mu akwaba emra Adom o share ye dwumadi a ebra no bra no ya na ye de nkomdie ye ne Minerals Commission ye de ba na ora Martin kwaku ayisi aye Chief Executive Officer at the Minerals Commission ye ne no etoa enkomdie so na afa ya hye mu dwumadi ba no form agudie tuo ene ye ho komo a ewo mu edin amegye so ene abena pokua a when near ora isi Michelle
Madam, let us say.
Nyame Adom. You see ache.
Ache pa. Pa.
But I say ye be share enkobo no na ene no de ye be ka ho asem. A local content performance for 2023 and na the outlook for 2024. Na ye be share se ba no ya ye mayimu ene for magudie to no a ne modern bono ewo afi etwam no na etisen na afiwe mu so no ekọ nanim anase gina ba bi gina na enhyehye no so a ekoda ache no etesen e be hyase na afi ya hye oraisi manye di kan emisa mudwumadi mu na ba local content performance no ohunu setesen ekoso na set ba fo
ekoyie pa madam ekoyie pa aha ena scan wo ekoyie pa but my mention as here wow, na impre pi no. Adwini nya koda tax. Wa hina new motitia. Ahina go office atu amaye. Na yehu skanu sana ni yema hye omuntu ahwe ni monta hina mutua angogo da shanty gold source akroma gold all those mines. Ba ye refi se skanu local content. Hona scanwo. No ye nyema omuton se companies no every minute bi omuton nyema.
Okay.
Omuton fuel. Ya me boss am figures. Omuton lubricants. Omuma contracts for services. Omuton explosives. Explosives no na omudi break up the rocks no. Omuton nyema bebre every day. Wow, and a company be some filing a report. No. Taxes no. Here but I have scan work. So for example, be 2 weeks in here or so, and you could bring mine can see everywhere $700 million.
Okay.
Madam Davina Betika. And net good price. Yamina Doroma Obisa is gone through the roof. Oh, a child, baby, a child, I be take it 3-4 years. And son almost started to move to your tax. At this stage, in the Obanya royalties. Wow, Newmont almost seek a savings or Kenya see 30 kilometers a half north and near $1 billion. But every day, beer, Omotoniama, every day, Omoto explosives, Omo fuel. Catering services because mines no more did wow in Kofobeko hospital we juma or yire wo all those in a ho and a scan wo into with the mama more figures be
okay
now what the entire make us a koye pa 2022 13 companies so and you'll be a
13
large scale small scale they say Ghana for near 1 to 1 to 2022 large scale and you're money 13 companies over report now almost near 1.9 billion it's almost 2 billion cedis sorry $2 billion and you're Ghana ska almost that's about $1.9 billion. Report I this guy see 2023.
Yeah.
Almost $3 billion.
With this 13 companies now.
13 companies now. You know, 13 companies, you know, 2022 almost spending $1.9 billion. 2023 $2.9 billion. So roughly $3 billion.
Yeah.
Between 2022 and 2023, no, $1 billion abekam. Now, all the taxes boomer and do 1 billion po. Why, auntie? Yeah, said you say $3 billion we almost to then, and I bagana for a honor. say ye dey asem no to.
Okay.
Nti no we answer me first question obi say koye pa nti koye pa. In fact 2024 report e be next year because your 2024 mu na wo hwe half year report pa almost 3 billion no use it for 2023 no oh echa
just a better
because now 2022 no na bibiani mine no mo ba mo be October ho
okay
into 2023 mo ye full report o sure obon say yes nema koye pa o nti enye galamse asem
and to say life skill no say say near 13 I maintain 2022 ne 2023 expectation any say by 2024 ni be ba ka ho
oh 2024 crowd there me expect say be 4 billion
yeah and a number of companies no e be ba ka ho
and more be count because see cardinal their president could be a commission 2 weeks ago no on be file wow okay then the new ones no sir or mobile number file into despite some major this November and December no like almost spending a pa because you see mine no more tonyama
okay
into almost report for 2024 no about 2025 into definitely 3 billion where I spending 2023 be up that's number 1 a half enough almost see next on commission and also they will capture that
because
2024 and cut 2023 and also another one and other 2 months means on mobile bc in fact one show you by 2025 you know supplies in Kwambe 5 billion
not just say the can no say we are buying tax award it was a large scale company see what one figures able so money in locally near motor se bia wono ye fa won wo filling station aton fa won no anasa de bia woto a omoto de di omudwuma no sa sika we no e ko Ghana for ho ora yisi sanete
sanete mama ma figures no
metie
last year no 2023 na almost 3 billion the infant say 2.9 the infant say 3 billion dollars
yeah
ye fa bibi that is sika mining companies 13 e come here almost you ye de toniema at the ejuma every day 3 billion last year now report in your baby true local procurement expenditure true local procurement expenditure that means Niema echo Ghana for
out of sir
3 billion. The things that went to Ghanaians companies Ghana for there
okay
1.5 billion. That means almost about half of that, you know, almost import here.
Okay.
I want a problem, no. Until I say I buy a Mias Commission and she says, oh, and you be a never be or a bit me a wahana. Son, yet if you are better because machines now, I mean, excavate and you know, wow, and see this or the movie. But no crowd post to say, he says, so this or the Magana, but. Into 1.5 billion.
Yeah.
Tax is not much Ghana government and rules are. A bedroom baby no local procurement crab bedroom 5 billion. Into the question is a then pan air motor.
Okay.
2023 3 billion.
And I'm to Tony
13 companies and young mining companies are more dozen than 13. We are 13 for report. Into Niema oh yeah the Niema be 50. And yeah, they are 2 year report and also.
Okay.
Just a name 50 way. Company beyond I saw do plan my.
Okay.
Wow. Yes, 30 you know, 2014. 10 years ago. Nema no 8. And at 2015. 9 years ago, you increase it from 8 to 11. And then 3rd edition, you publish here 2018.
Okay.
Okay, 10 items. 4th edition, 41. Into a movie to 41 items. And at 2022, you movie to 50 items. So, Usha, the reason why you moving from almost 2 billion to 3 billion in 2023 was that.
Yeah.
In 2022, items now were list, 41. And now 2023, no, 2022, 41. And they published in 5th edition, December 2022.
Okay.
No, 50. Into year the 9 car 41. See items in the 50, yeah, very increasing list, Into 5th edition, about 20th December 2022. So that means the whole of last year, 2023, almost use 50 items, Now, only, how did we get these 50 items? Yeah, trust in you said no. Companies, almost spend this on some of these 50 items.
Okay.
Into research, you say no. Baby, Ghana for betting me, just stop your man. Into me mention list, no be.
Okay.
Who crowd will be after this interview, crowd will not. What about Asher Mines be? Into 13 companies in here, Newmont a half.
Yeah.
Also Goldfields, Golden Star, and Takwa Goldfields, Ghana Manganese, Chirano, Pesos Mining, Adamus, Newmont, Achim, Angogo Ashanti Duaprim, Asanko, and Angogo do Boisi, and Mensing Gold. 13 in the Afri Bonia Manuso. Then you see where the money is. Right. 50 items.
Okay.
May mention in here, but they are protecting man Ghana for. Maybe it is a catering. And then mines, baby, I shall know. Omon Pia Bonti.
Okay.
Anopa, Ivia, Henning, Omudi, you are mine, so. Omunya, Omudiama contract.
Okay.
Into Cochirana, Obina Dianio.
Me pages no na come there.
Me be amount as I'm talking.
Yeah.
O share my beer or company only aduane more.
Okay, I think 29.
20 me mention page 29.
29 catering services, security, legal, insurance.
Page 29.
Yeah. Mamika was say yene Ora Martin Kwaku AEC or your Chief Executive Officer Minerals Commission yedin komo ye share wo say ye na yedin komo fa mining ho na ye ka mining no emu fa so ahe ene ba timamuni ne nchen baby a mining company no esi no omanfo wo sampotem wodom no emfa so ben na omunya se we say be a corporate social responsibility almost so ye kwan we so ye school dan ye see yare sabia no a omo mo ho na almost so mo ye adwuma no emfa so ben e no munya e no ho akontabo ne yebu ma no ti aban eje ne to no almost so wo potem ho no enya e so emfa so nti nioma duonu a company si e de se ka ye boss ma wo 2022 any 2023 ye no e na ye ba abehwe no ti do
nti page 10.
Page 10, okay.
On page 10.
Yeah, Yanko.
Be page, there be where page 9.
Page 10.
And be the next two. Be second one. Where first one? Be second one.
Okay.
Okay. First item now on top. Then.
Haulage services.
Share red column. No.
Wow. $80 million.
Haulage Ghana for there. That means 2023, 13 companies almost spending $80 million on haulage.
Okay.
Haulage, as you saying, ABR, work of our track, no I found manganese and a bauxite, or my the core ports. You see, when you're Ghana and you're to me yet. It is covered by money.
There be a here.
We at $80 million haulage. Preserve for Ghanaians.
Okay.
Preserve the meaning need cheap casa.
I say you bought buying the Magana for.
Yes. Into Sikao Chromo. Would have second one. We are 2023. Last year, share 2023 catering. Figure near
catering 33 million.
2022 now about 25.
Okay,
into almost spending additional roughly $89 million.
In addition.
You be a Nima Cardinal. Soon ye almost about 3,000 plus workers.
Okay.
And you can imagine the expenditure on catering 2024.
Okay.
I have enough. Wow. Into me select their Ghana for a way pa. And just say change my license not too good. Wow, I had a scan so that's what 33 million.
Yeah.
And then
dollars.
Yes, dollars. And you see there's some near kawa.
Okay.
Next one.
Security services.
And
also 20 approximately
24 million. Now,
dollars.
mining company BIA or security.
Ghana for
yes, and yes, soldier police security, like private security company. It's right from entrance of the mine to gold room. Wow, into 13 companies. We are all the mines in Ghana, 13, because we are reporter, we are members of Chamber of Mines. Into 13 companies now. They spend roughly $24 million on what? Security.
Yeah.
All right. Look at fuel supply.
Yeah.
Go down.
Yeah, fuel supply, $362 million.
And then how can you, sister? $362 million.
Fuel if you Ghana for filling
station. And now fuel no, unye Ghana ni a untumi ton fuel. First no na free for all. Obia nyebi. Tie me buy me say no. You be a first man in Ghana 1897. 126 years ago. Now, you to me a machine and yet Titiana abrofo ton for. Inti those is now selling Total, a French company.
Yeah.
Vivo ne engine. No more ton for our mines. Yes, you mon free ho. Yam pamon Ghana, but omunko other sectors. Inti Minas Commission-Badwam enne unye Ghana niya untimi ton for Emma mining company. It's a filling station Ghana niya o come mine na we bibia you establish na for workers.
Okay.
Inti na debia no move file report ya direct and indirect. For example, Minas Commission say you need workers are only provide cleaning services. Yeah, they are private company. Wow. So that means Minas Commission goods is here. Security provide cleaning services so na company so bibisa. Into no 2023 fuel in Kwan $363 million. Can you imagine? And also you Ghana for there.
Yeah.
And then yes, our drilling.
Surface no.
Now drilling
okay.
Surface and underground. Surface no Ghana for there.
Okay.
Also underground no technology kakra here. Into surface drilling no year almost
70
million.
Sure.
And underground no year 41. Into say and then me front page me kind story no year.
Okay.
My also front page banner headline graphic ban surface mining.
And alluvial mining.
Oh, next week. You be discuss it, sister.
You be discuss it.
Before saying here in Chechemu.
Say NTSC because it was a statement.
Sudan, Angola na share.
Angola share Sudan share.
Na Niger be share we yan crew mana. Ana mo share Niamey.
Yeah.
Omo share ni nti. Me swanu I'm just 54 years. Yeah, swanu ye wo mi Accra New Town. Those is yet to me ensemble players. Be 10 minutes ni akosho obia. Team bi wa be high na e bia North Africans ni Nigeria. By ne omuka mo setwi dia bibia anya twi poto nti English kwa poto omusi poto kasa there are no minnows in soccer nti Comoro said there some time ago Iceland share England.
Yeah.
Wow. Just say Niger ashe Ghana ewo crew. Like seriously
oje ho want yes.
Nti no obi abuefu Ghana pa 4 times African champion. This, that. Everybody looks up to us. Like mining. Mining, everybody looks up to Ghana in Africa.
Okay.
And South Africa. South Africa, crowd mobile. One Ghana say no. So I asked myself, make kind story, no? Yeah, discussing my next segment with you.
Okay.
Why are people saying that we should ban surface mining? Is it because of the galamsey issue?
Say no chichen e de kodu galamsey.
Me kind stories in here, I may respond. But me person spending this week, next week on local content. Yeah.
Baby, but I think
so that means that your banning service money no drilling. So what happens? What happens to 69 million?
Sikano.
What happens?
But Sikano na yesha.
No more surface mining. I did the cause of the problem. What has that got? What has surface mining got to do with nipa na yesi men consume? Because a man license or in so. But me person you better digress. Because
which may respond in the way.
Oh, maybe person make kind story no fair because me. There be me kind say enye first we ni. Okay, we dey call contract mining. Contract mining 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. There be same line. Surface. Contract mining surface.
Okay. And see, I don't know, mine $641.4 million.
Can you imagine? 2023. And now, mine now move be ye be we same no. And also, the ama contract.
Okay.
We are surface, so you underground.
Underground of mine.
Underground, you know,
279.
Yes, and a surface you Ghana for there.
Yeah.
Unye Ghana you want to mean your surface mining contract. Underground 278.
Yeah.
Tisa Obuasi, Tisa Newmont Ahafo. And Achimna in future more be starting.
Okay.
So that means 2023 $641 million. Yeah, me control radio so now me can't say when say papa your both cities are not dollars. Just a contract ya dey ma company say mo dey mo be you say we a mining company. There are two things. Either say we be wa dey and now the be contract. Say either say be fan for so mo cleaning mine and now the be private company yen cleaning mine. It's a mining company be no say no. Yeah mine ye the be contract.
Okay.
And a contract mine then obeto explosives. You blast, you drill, you blast, no I drill it, no I blast it. Now, what's the sunny man? No I go plant no. So 2023, 641. You see, only Ghana new to me.
Yeah.
First, no free for Australians in there, Australia in South Africa. Yapamomo. Wow. Na bakubi kra de mi we na mi bufu ye. And we overall work overall just attire na mo no. First na free for all. Ya miem kakra bi. But baby am many cheaper as a human being. And a Ghana ni tailing storage facility.
Okay.
One on next page.
Well, and no $70.1 million.
Yeah, the two so last year keke.
Oh, okay. It's no Najuman Kasan.
Oh, they meba. And now for EPA, so much check environment. And now your geological survey. Apart from this, some more per coin, some more young fan say be a journalist. Adom, who some more program be or Obuasi Maya company to me mamu coin. This almost be seminars commission permission.
Okay.
Say any problem about this a communals commission or give permission. Nti asema da ho no.
Ti wutie enchemu a oraisi ediama na chese eba no form agudie tu no ne omo ye no akasiem obroni beka se large scale no nye eto a aban eje nko a esanso wo faso ema omo te sampotemu ho ediya meje so ene abena poku a when near